Hi everyone, I'm Tommy, and today I'm going to show you how to hang a 5-inch monitor and a 3.5-inch monitor from your roof. First, let's start with the 3.5-inch monitor. This one's the easiest one. When you get it right out of the box, it already has this mount here with the 3M tape. All you have to do is flip it around like this, pull it back a little bit, and then you can mount that on your ceiling like this. So then you can have that perspective when you're going in. This is how it's going to look for you. You can even wrap the cable around it a little bit like this so you're not going to see that, but it's up to you how you want to set it up. That's the 3.5-inch. Flip it right back around. The 5-inch monitor, it's a little different. That one comes with this kind of bracket right here. So you see, it stands up regular like this. But if you want to flip it around, our engineers made the bracket work in a way that you just take it out of the monitor, put it back in, flip it upside down, and then you just push it up. When you hear the click, you're there, and then you take the 3M tape off and you just mount it on your ceiling like this. All right, so you're gonna have this perspective. This thing is gonna hold it like that, and then you're good to go. You could also do this with a suction cup if you end up getting one of those as an accessory, but there's really not much to it. You could do everything with this mount here. Thank you and have a great day.